Here we are in the process of telephone pole replacement. You're going to be doing them all around here. If you happen to see a telephone pole that has a white tag on it, ribbon around it, it's going to be replaced. And right now, you can see they're picking those telephone poles up. You'll be able to pick it up, manipulate it around so that it gets placed in the hole just like they want it. It's a long process because what you're doing is, if you see all these, there's a lot of stuff on that telephone pole. You may have to put the new one in the ground, take all the stuff off the old one, put it on the new one, and then take the old pole down. So, there's going to be a lot of that going on around here. We'll keep you up to date on it all. There you have it.